The scientist we chose is Chien-Shiung Wu, nicknamed the First Lady of Physics. She was born and raised in China, then came to America at age 24 to study at the University of Michigan. She was a Chinese-American particle and experimental physicist, which means she studied the nature of the particles that constitute matter and did experiments and observed them to better understand the physics of the world. She worked on the Manhattan Project. The project was an effort to develop a functional atomic weapon during World War II. She is best known for conducting the Wu experiment, which proved that parity is not conserved. This theory proved that identical nuclear particles do not always act in the same matter. Wu was able to disprove this theory when working with electrons at low temperature. People compared it to Marie Curie. She lived in a very sexist time, so when her team won the Nobel Prize, she did not get the recognition she deserved. Her two male colleagues won the award. There was also an anti-Asian movement growing due to the attacks on Pearl Harbor from the Japanese army. Wu was disrespected not only because of her gender, but also because of her race. That did not stop her from continuing her work. She finally received the recognition she deserved in 1978 when she won the very first Wolf Award for Physics and the Research Corporation Award given to a woman. Her research helped answer important biological questions about blood and sickle cell anemia. Sickle cell disease is a condition in which red blood cells are not shaped as they should be. These sickle-shaped cells get stuck together and block small blood vessels. She was the first woman to serve as a president of the American Physical Society. She was also a woman who fought for gender equality. The physicist successfully bridged the gap in pays between men and women in her profession. She was the first female physics instructor at Princeton. Wu was an inspiration for all women because she worked despite many obstacles and showed that women can be just as good as men and maybe even better.